Hey, it's Chuck here from Brand New Vegan, where I show you how easy and tasty it is to cook plant-based. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll put a link to the recipe you're about to see in the description box below. Here we go. We're making nachos. So this is just my typical cheese sauce, and I've got a recipe for that. I'll put it up in the upper right-hand corner. You'll see the card pop up. That's my cheese sauce. So we're going to start with that, and we're going to make it even better. So what we do, we get our cheese sauce all blended up, and I used russets this time. People have asked me that. Do you have to use Yukon Golds? No, you can use russets. I didn't even peel them. That's what the little specks are. But then we're going to add a cup of salsa. Pick your favorite salsa, blend it up with the cheese, and you got nacho cheese sauce, just like that. So simple, so easy, and oh my God, it tastes so good. Now, for our chips and our nachos, I got corn tortillas. They're oil-free. You can cut them up into whatever kind of slices, whatever kind of shapes you like, typical triangles like that, or you can cut them up into what I like, which are the scoop type rectangles, whatever you want to call them, like that. Get more on them that way. So we're going to put these on a baking pan. That's all we're going to do, and then you can flavor these however you like. I like to put a little lime juice on them and some kosher salt. If you want to add some cumin, some chili powder, go for it. Whatever spices you like. A little bit of salt. We're going to bake these 350 for 10 minutes, and then you just want to check them after that every 2 or 3 minutes until they get crispy. That's it. And then your nacho toppings or whatever you like. I've got some cherry tomatoes here. You can use some red onion like I have here. I also did some green onion. It's coming up. You can use my cauliflower taco meat. That was really good, and I'll put a link up in the cards up in the upper right-hand corner for that too. So be sure and check out my taco meat if you haven't already. It's made out of cauliflower. The cheese sauce, by the way, is made out of potatoes and carrots. So this is all plant-based. It's all oil-free, and it's just so incredibly good. There go the red onions. I'm just layering this stuff on. Start with a little cheese sauce and start piling on your toppings. There go the green onions. You can put in some black olives. Of course, you got to have tomatoes. I love my jalapenos, but you can leave those out if you don't like spicy. More cheese. The more the better. Again, this is potatoes and carrots. There's nothing fattening about this cheese. More onions, more green onions, more olives, more tomatoes. You can't see the chips anymore, but they are in there. And more cheese. Oh, it was so good. Some more of that taco meat on top. Yum. And then a little cilantro. And if you don't like cilantro, like a lot of people don't, just leave it out. You can bake this if you want. I squeezed a little lime juice on top. I ate it just like that. If you want to bake it and get everything hot and crispy together, oh, don't forget the hot sauce. Gotta have my Cholula. Again, this was so incredibly good, so simple. Anybody can do this. People say it's so hard to eat plant-based. This is easy. I used my iron skillet. You can use a baking sheet. You can use whatever you want. Bake your tortilla chips. Make some cheese. Add some salsa. You got Nachos Supreme. Hope you enjoy the video. If you do, be sure and give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you back here next week for another plant-based recipe. Again, this is Chuck from Brand New Vegan. Thanks for watching.